Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you will learn how to edit a PDF in Google Drive. To begin, open up your Google Drive in your web browser. If you do not have the PDF you want to edit, you click on the plus icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now you select File Upload. Here you can find and select the PDF you want to open. Once you're done, you click on Open and the file will be uploaded. You refresh the page and you will see the file there. Now once you've seen the file you want to edit, you can either double click on the file or you right click on the file, then you select Open With and you choose Google Docs. Now Google will process the PDF. Here you can make your editing. So this is the content of the file. You can make your editing here as you want. You can either change the title, you can also remove or insert an image. To remove an image, you click on the image, then you press the backspace to remove it. Now to insert a new image to the file, you click on the insert button at the top of the screen. You click on image. You can either choose to upload from the computer or whatever choice you want. Now here you can choose the image or the picture you want to add. Once you've picked, you click on Open. Now you can see it is enlarged. To reduce the size of the image, move your cursor to the edge of the image and reduce the size. Once you're done, you can also edit or change some text in your editing. Once you're done with the editing, you click on the File tab at the top here and you click on Download. Then you choose to download PDF document. You click on PDF document and your file will be downloaded. So that is how you can easily edit a PDF in Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSolve to get more informative videos like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.